Hey there, science fans! Bill Nye here, and boy, do I have a treat for you today, physics! Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Physics is simply the study of how the universe works. Think about it, every time you throw a ball, ride a bike, or even just stand still, you're experiencing physics in action. It's the science behind everything around us, from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. Now you might be thinking, Bill, this sounds complicated. But trust me, physics can be a blast. It's like solving a giant puzzle. Only this puzzle explains how the entire universe fits together. So, buckle up because we're about to embark on a wild ride through the fascinating world of physics. Get ready to unlock the universe's secrets, one fun fact at a time. Let's kick things off with a bang, or should I say a force. In physics, force is any interaction that, when unopposed, will change the motion of an object. Basically, it's a push or a pull. Imagine you're playing tug of war. Each team is pulling on the rope, trying to move the other team across the line. The strength of each team's pull is a force. Forces are everywhere. Gravity pulling you down to Earth, that's a force. Magnets attracting metal objects, force again. Even the simple act of pushing a button on your phone involves force. So, the next time you see something moving, remember, there's a force behind it, shaping the world around us in countless ways. Now that we've got a handle on force, let's talk about motion. Motion is simply movement. It's all about how objects change their position over time. Think about a car driving down the road. Its motion can be described by its speed, how fast it's going, and its direction, whether it's going north, south, east, or west. But motion isn't always straightforward. Sometimes it's fast, sometimes it's slow, and sometimes it even changes direction. Think about a roller coaster twisting and turning through the air. That's some serious motion. Understanding motion is essential for everything from designing cars and airplanes to predicting the weather and even launching rockets into space. Energy, it's what powers our homes, fuels our bodies, and quite literally makes the world go round. But what exactly is it? In simple terms, energy is the ability to do work. There are many different forms of energy like heat, light, and sound. But they all have one thing in common: they can cause changes in the world around us. Think about a light bulb. When you flip the switch, electrical energy is converted into light and heat energy, illuminating your room. Or consider a bouncing ball. As it bounces, its potential energy, energy due to its position, is converted into kinetic energy, energy of motion, and back again. Energy is a fundamental concept in physics, and it's all around us. Section 5. Gravity. What goes up must come down, usually. Remember that feeling you get in your stomach when you go over a big drop on a roller coaster? That's gravity at work. Gravity is the force that attracts any two objects with mass towards each other. The Earth has a lot of mass, so it exerts a strong gravitational pull on everything on its surface, including you and me. That's why we stay grounded instead of floating off into space. But gravity doesn't just affect things here on Earth. It's what keeps the moon in orbit around our planet, the planets in orbit around the sun, and even the stars in our galaxy bound together. It's a fundamental force that shapes the universe as we know it. Section 6. Physics superstars: Newton, Einstein, and Hawking. Throughout history, there have been some seriously brilliant minds who have revolutionized our understanding of physics. Let's meet a few of these physics superstars. First up, we have Sir Isaac Newton, the man who famously discovered gravity, supposedly after an apple bonked him on the head. Newton's laws of motion laid the foundation for classical mechanics, explaining how objects move and interact with each other. Next we have Albert Einstein, the genius who developed the theory of relativity. Einstein's work completely changed our understanding of space, time, gravity, and the universe itself. And let's not forget Stephen Hawking, a brilliant physicist who made groundbreaking contributions to our understanding of black holes, the universe's origins, and the nature of time itself. These are just a few of the many amazing physicists who have helped us unlock the universe's secrets. Section 7. Physics in action: from roller coasters to smartphones. Physics isn't just theoretical, it's all around us in our everyday lives. Let's take a look at some real-life examples of physics in action. Remember those thrilling roller coasters we talked about earlier? They're a perfect example of physics at play. From the forces that propel the cars uphill to the energy transformations that give you that stomach-dropping feeling, roller coasters are essentially physics experiments you can ride. And what about your smartphone? It's a marvel of modern technology, but it wouldn't exist without the principles of physics. From the electricity that powers it to the touch screen that allows you to interact with it, physics is at the heart of every smartphone feature. These are just a few examples of how physics shapes our world and enhances our lives in countless ways. Section 8. Keep exploring the universe of physics. Well, there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of physics, exploring concepts like force, motion, energy, and gravity. We've met some of the brilliant minds who have shaped our understanding of the universe, and we've seen how physics plays a role in our everyday lives. But this is just the beginning. The universe of physics is vast and full of wonder, with countless mysteries still waiting to be unraveled. So keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never stop being curious about the world around you. Remember, physics isn't just for scientists in lab coats, it's for everyone. So embrace your inner physicist and let the wonders of the universe inspire you.